It smells. Got some corn. What the? Is that the? Why is there a skateboard here?
Here, grab that.
I'm grabbing the bottom. I remember when we first went fishing and it just broke after we just used it. Okay, that's a real skateboard.
Where's the toggle box?
Oh,
Careful.
trying to move. Isn't that my old bike?
Yeah, you don't use none of your stuff.
It's not my fault, Dad.
Well, it is. Go outside.
Well, I have nobody to take me outside.
Just take yourself. Tell your mom to watch you while you go outside.
She's not gonna watch me,
Yeah,
Dad.
she is. She has no choice. It's your mom.
Come on. Oh, so Dad, I'm not gonna show your face in the video if that's fine. If you want, I can let you show your face. Dad,
Oh, grab those wipes.
Dad. What wipes? Where?
There, right there. Behind the 2 cases.
This? This?
Yep.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Pay attention to what you're doing. Put your phone down, please. Keep getting caught.
Well, this is a long pole. I need to hold my. Oh, what's up, Freddy? Can't we just walk?
No, it's right up there.
Why?
Because it's kind of a little bit of a walk. Huh? Hola.
Oh, Dad. Dad. Do you want me to show your face in the video?
Yeah, no matter.
You
You gotta pee?
No.
Oh.
It was because I was trying to get the corn because I was holding it. Say hi, Dad.
Coming with us?
Dad, say hi. You didn't even say hi. You did peace.
What's up? Alright, get in the front. Let's go.
The actual front? Dad, open the door.
That's too shallow right there.
Wait, you mean this right here?
No, right there. You can, I guess.
I guess he means this. Let's go. I'm in the front. I don't like these seatbelts. Oh, frick. Where's my dad? Oh my god. Well, y'all, we're going fishing. So, yeah. Also, at 200 likes, I might do a face reveal. I don't know though. But still.
We out, boo?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To the place we went before.
Right here with the dock.
A part of the murder rap. Caught Peter, them people chopping the bird in half. Break it further down to whatever's gonna earn the math. Exchange pounds for dollars, you never convert to cash. Welcome to the South where they serving the dirt and grass. The streets ain't
Bye.
the deserted path. Was walking with my Walkman one day when I heard a blast. Loud enough to shatter the earth and the third was
Don't play a song because I think it's gonna get copyrighted.
We outside for a little bit, me and you.
Me and you only.
Yeah, dad, daughter, then. Your mom's mad at me.
Dad,
What?
you know, with Wella, I always go to the front if there's nobody else. Yeah. And this time I'm in the front with you because they got permission. Children under 12.
Yeah, but you're over the weight limit, so you should be fine.
Dad!
For real? What?
Are you calling me fat?
No, I'm just being honest. Alright, are we going here or down?
I don't know. Wherever we went last time.
Because there's a little area right here we can
Whatever you think. I don't really
go.
know.
Little area right there?
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. That looks like a good spot. We could go next time. Like after my brother. FedEx.
FedEx coming Monday for a package.
Yo, we're going fishing! Yeah! It was over there, right? Yo. Jeez, I'm getting hot in this sweater.
Yeah, hobble.
Yeah.
Ow.
I'm not a punk.
We'll go fishing for like an hour, okay?
An hour?
Yeah.
We need more time. Do you not
Hour and a half.
do you not remember what happened last time when we fished for an hour?
And then after
Ice
that,
cream.
I'm probably gonna go back out on the motorcycle tonight.
You always go on a motorcycle.
I can't chill.
You're chilling right now. I kind of forgot how to fish. Isn't it right there?
Yes, baby. I need to park over here.
I need fresh air. Welcome to Springfield College. Oh, this is where we parked last time, right? We're going more up?
No, I gotta bust a Yui. Relax.
Oh, a wheel. Did you say you're gonna do it?
A U-turn. Yui.
Oh. I don't understand cars. Why do they name stuff like that? Don't they look like a 12-year-old? What?
Yeah, you do.
So, even if I'm in the front, so I can still be in the front anyways, and y'all won't get pulled over. I still have to go to the back then. Ooh, let me just pull that up. We're going fishing.
Ready, baby?
Of course I'm ready.
Come on.
I think it closed. Come on, Dad. Look at this. Oh, wait. That's fine. one is mine?
I got it. Here.
Come on, Dad. Come on. Wait, Dad. Dad. Are we going to the dock or are we gonna go right here? Right here? Because the dock last time we failed miserably. We didn't even get a fish. We almost caught one, but we didn't get it. Oh, look it! Look! Look, Dad. Are those swans? Geese? Oh. Yeah, this is a good spot. Yeah. What is this for?
Wipe my hands so that you push the bait on. Make sure it's kind of shallow. We should go over there.
Yeah, I think we should. Come on. Over here? Or a little more farther? Look at that. Look at the gooses. Look at the geese. Is that a mother and its baby? It looks small. Small and big.
That's probably male, female.
Yeah. Look at wait, let's watch it jump in if they're gonna to. Look. They just like curl their legs up. Yeah, this is a pretty good spot.
No.
Yes, it is.
You want this from here?
Yeah.
Alright, here it goes. Please sit down.
Huh?
Put that down right here.
Like that?
Yep.
Look at this. Look at the view. Look at the geese. That
What do you want on here? Bait corn or just corn for now?
corn.
Just corn for now?
Look at the geese that we saw earlier. Oh, that. Ugh. That's disgusting. Hey, free food's for the fish, though.
Yeah, let's try to see if they come up for it.
They might.
Careful with the edge, okay?
I know.
Alright, okay, so we're gonna do this in here.
Yeah, we only want the corn. We only want the corn.
Hold this pole.
This?
Right here, put this one on mom's pole. Use your own pole. Hold that.
Isn't this the one that broke? I thought I broke mine. Did you get a new one?
How do you fix that?
How?
How you gonna fix it?
Birthplace of basketball. Look at the view from here. This looks like it should be in a VR game.
You need me to help you cast it? Real quick?
I wanna. Wait, let me see it from you first. Then after, can you hold my phone? Don't like show my face though. I don't want to reveal my face. You broke it.
It broke.
Wait, Dad, try to get it. Try to get it. Try to get it. Try to get it. No. No. We're asking about it. Dad, you did it wrong.
It's because we haven't used a pole, so the wire snapped. That's why. I had it on too tight.
Imagine, couldn't be me.
Alright, I gotta redo this pole.
Ow. Dad, can I throw this into the water? It's just a chunk of wood. Okay. That was cool. I like that. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. There's like right there. Look at my professional dad doing this. You can't even see the string. You can only see the string when it's like on something black, which is your clothes. Look at my professional dad doing it while I do nothing but record. Dad, do you not remember how to do it?
I do. I gotta fish just through it.
Well, my dad broke this. I'm just kidding. Ooh, look at the goose. The geese. Look.
All right, put it down on the floor.
Dad, look. Look at the geese. Look. Wait, Dad. Can I get closer real quick?
Flip that thing up. No.
With this?
Yeah. Nope. The metal part.
This?
Flip it up. And then flip it back when I tell you. Put your phone down real quick so you can pay attention. Flip it up.
Like that?
All right, close it.
Okay.
All right, now hold this pole.
Like this?
Yep. I'm trying to make your line.
Look at the geese. Look at them.
Hold on, baby. I'm trying to do this.
No. I'm trying to show the camera.
You're chilling?
Yeah. They're just eating off the floor. We should feed them some. Like some of our food. We should make them for food. I'm just kidding. You can't eat geese, right?
You could.
You could, but
It's like a bird, like eating chicken.
like eating. Have you eaten one before? Look at the geese, camera. Well, I'm the cameraman, so well, camera woman, but look at it. They're just eating. Hey, Dad. After, can I try to like get closer so it could like focus more?
Yeah. I have to.
What the? This feels Dad. When I turn the camera like this, when I turn the camera like that, it looks like an AI, like not AI. It looks like it's from like, yeah. Pay attention. Look at my dad's beard. He's too old. My dad's old. Oh yeah, look.
Alright, your bobber is on. Now you need to wait.
Wait, Dad. Question. Can I get closer now?
You have to wait, Katana, until I'm done.
Dad, do you not remember what I said?
I'm sorry, Liz. I mean, Katie.
That's not my name, but okay. What are you Dad,
What?
what are you doing?
Try to burn this fish off.
Look at it.
Do you have a knife in here?
I don't think.
Why? You know about that.
Oh, look at the geese.
He's chilling.
They're just chilling. What's you going?
Here, feed it some food. Put the fishing pole down.
Okay.
Put it down. Lay it down.
Like flat?
Yep.
Okay. Like this?
Yep.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna grab. Well,
Over here. Stay close to me.
I will. What should I grab? I'm gonna feed it. Are these carrots? Okay. Can I feed them one? trying to be careful. I fed one of them. Dad, can I give them some more? They ate one. Yeah. Can I like pour some out? Okay. Okay, I left them some food because they didn't want to get close to me. Yeah, they didn't want to get close to me, so I just fed it some food. Like, I put it on the ground, but I don't think they're going to eat it. Look at this stuff. Look at this. I thought this was a real fish. Did it have real fish in here? Where? I don't see real fish. Huh? I'm talking about in here. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. What is this? Ugh. Is that a maggot? Anyways, what is this? Look at the water. Huh? Wait, you want me to hold this? Look at it. They're getting closer to the food. They're getting a little bit closer. I don't remember where I put it actually. I think they're eating it.
Find you some corn. What should we put?
Corn.
Just corn?
Yeah. There's corn in there.
Ready?
Yeah, look, Dad. They're eating it. Look, Dad.
What is that? It's food.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 geese there. Well, there used to be 7,
Ready?
but
Look. Record your corn.
look at it.
So we are fishing today with
Corn.
corn.
We are fishing with corn. Dad, let me watch you do it. Don't break it this time. Yes, you are.
Alright, ready? Watch out. You gotta stand back behind me, behind the trash over there.
Behind it? Look at it. That.
Pull it so it doesn't go to the edge over there, so it doesn't get stuck. Here.
Wait, Dad. Record it,
Put it there.
but what? The
Your
camera?
phone, right.
Yeah, but okay, wait.
Flip it, babe. Stop the recording.
No, it's flipped.
No, good.
No, it's flipped. Look.
No, so you can see it.
Oh, look.
We go like this, watch.